Guys, follow the crowd. Balis akong makakabalik
Binigyan
ka.
ko na kay Fair ah.
Hindi kita ma-trade.
Ang dami nagtatrade sa akin eh. Taglit lang.
O yung Basilisk daw, pre.
Pwede mo tayo katso.
Pwede ka mangkat.
Dismounted.
Huli si Mercy pa.
May nahuli ah.
Wait lang. Dismount now.
Yo, party 2, stop AP.
Dismount OC. If you don't OC, please. OC now.
Patagal ba yan?
Si Gator ba na DC?
No, pwede ba kainin na ano, siphon? No.
DC si Gator.
Go inside.
Walang may
Wing
spike,
inside.
may spike gantat ka pa, Wonder.
Kamis.
Wala akong slot Jassy. Jassy, wala akong slot.
Clear comms. Kamis.
Wala na ang BMS.
Balik.
Nag-copy na lang.
May gala bang?
Bumalik.
7-3 gala bang?
Lalabas ako. Ano sa side niya?
DA3 lang sila, Wonder.
Lady Crown, nasan ka Lady Crown?
Possible lumaki pag tinawag yung Mordor. Yung ibang ano pa nila, alay.
Lagi ba nila tinatawag yung
Dismounted na.
Ay, Mordor na pala to. May halo na to.
Ingat ka na, gala.
Engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. They might engage. Come back. Cooldowns. Rainbreaker cooldowns. Salita ka. Hello?
Pull down. Wait.
G, engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now. Spread up kayo dyan ha. Ilang percent na lang gate? 68.
60.
Ready to hold them dito sa ready to hold them pag nabasag yung gate. Huwag kayo muna gumamit ng CC. Ready now? Wala ba akong boot? Hindi pa ako napag.
Hindi na daw.
Engaging on me now in 3, 2, 1 on me now. I-heavy miss mo nga yung si Urius na parang naka-steady lang. Mag-engage sila.
30%.
30.
Sige lang. Huwag po na natin gamitin cooldown sa atin. Hold. Ilang din na nila? 3 pa lang. Susugurin ko na dapat to eh.
Nasa cliffs.
Diba?
Don't me.
Wait lang.
15% ka. Wala ba tayo naka-spear na ano, ay nakahatak na ano? Wala ba, wait lang.
Engaging on me now. Ito sa
10%.
Northeast Ice eh. Sa Northeast Ice in 3, 2, 1 sa Northeast. Malayo.
Yung legit may bad
Come back.
Inlooking.
10% na lang yan, Wonder. 10% na lang yan.
Hila front.
Kailang full ano lang.
4% na lang ha.
Nasaan yung
Ilan percent?
chariot?
Ilan ng cooldowns?
Target natin. Ay, meron na yan.
Sige lang.
Kampante ako pagbukas.
Di makakapasok yan.
Oo nga eh.
Makapasok yung yan.
Wait. We're going to walk in. Wait lang. Pa-engage sila. Wait, drop guardians in the front. Wait lang. Wait.
Mga DPS na sa southwest ha. Ay, nasa south banda. Ayun, looking.
Looking. Dep. Oh my God, si Mercy. Walk in. Guys, walk in. Go inside of them. Go inside. Spread. Go inside. Go northeast. Spread. Go in the middle. Don't go in the middle. Spread, guys. Engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Now spread and brawl. Spread. Find the healers. Spread. Alis ka kasi. Heal the front. Heal northwest. We need to heal northwest. Come now. Oy, go out, Ascasi. Go out. Oh my God, bakit hindi pa rin sa loob? Engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now.
24.
Heal this.
Dito,
Brawl them. Find the healers.
Orison Northwest.
Brawl. Spread, guys. Don't clamp up. Spread, 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 don't clamp up. Engaging on me now. Ready. Wait in 5, 4, 3, 2.
GG.
Oh my God, nag-random drop pa kayo ng E. Full brawl pala to. Drop nyo this now, drop nyo this now, drop nyo this now, drop nyo this now. Para hindi tayo malawal. Drop nyo this, 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 drop nyo this if you have. Drop nyo this, heal up, heal southeast, heal southeast. Keep rolling, anti-crawler tayo, di tayo mapupunta. Dapat yan, come southwest. Ready tayo para, ready tayo, keep rolling. Demon. Keep rolling. Drop nyo this if you have. Keep trapping nyo this if you have. Heal me. Keep rolling. Igigil on me now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 me now. Clap this shit. Nag-clerical. Magaling mo mag-clerical. Tangin na full to! Wait, spread up! Huwag kayo tumigil sa akin! Spread up! Spread this out, east, east and west. Mana daw! Heal, depth now.
Healer yung Patrick.
Heal. Find the healers.
Patrick.
Find the healers. Running na.
Haron 1 healer.
Nasa northeast sila lahat, nasa northeast sila lahat. Hindi sila.
Okay, come northeast. Find the...
Patay.
Putang na radugtag ng mga popong to, di naman... Ah, my God, full bro. Dep now! Nice, walking. Ito si H-Dong, nakamagdang bungo.
Sige, binabandayan.
Uli nyo lahat.
Seryoso nyo patakasin.
Pinapatay namin si Orios.
Guys!
Wala na, running na.
Okay kayo, pag naroon tayo ng castle, namamatay tayo isa. Ayoko sana may mamatay na isa.
Bakit?
Uy, may chariot ko! May chariot yan! Don't shoot, may chariot yan! Ayun, nasa harap!